Hello, and welcome to another edition of Destination Bacon. And on today's episode, we have figured out that during quarantine, you can pretty much wrap anything in bacon and make it taste better. So today we made bacon wrapped avocados with a ranch dipping sauce. My goodness. It smells absolutely wonderful, and we'll let you know how to make this super easy dish. We start by cutting our avocado. We're going to quarter them. Now that I have quartered my avocados, I am going to sprinkle them with a dash of salt. Really not too much because the bacon is salty, right? You're gonna take a lemon or a lime and just squeeze it on there to help prevent the discoloration. Want to try to keep that nice green color. And then you'll be ready to start wrapping your avocados with your bacon. And I have a baking sheet here. My preheated oven at 425 is ready. That's what that beep was. So just keep wrapping your bacon all the way around your avocado wedges and place them on your sheet, and they will be ready to go in that preheated oven. Okay, I'm gonna finish these up and then we'll pop them in the oven. Be back soon. My avocados are all wrapped. They're on my baking sheet. I'm going to put them in the oven for 15 minutes at 425, and maybe after 8, 9, 10 minutes, I'm actually going to pull them out and flip them over and then check on them. All right, let's put these babies in there. Set our timer and we'll be ready to check on them and flip them. In the meantime, let's make our dipping sauce. So I have a 1/4 cup of sour cream. I'm gonna have a 1/4 cup of mayo. The recipe normally calls for 1/2 cup, but I don't really want to make that much. 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon of thyme, 1/2 teaspoon of dill weed, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Actually, I cut that back to a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And just mix that all up. And when it's all nice and mixed up, you can put it back in the fridge so the flavors can meld together. And sometimes it's a good idea to make this the night before so that the dipping sauce really gets flavorful. All right, time to check on our avocado slices here. All right, after about 10 minutes, I am now going to flip them over and we will continue baking. All righty. Pop these back in the oven and we'll see how they're doing. And because I like my bacon a little more crispy, I'm actually going to flip them over again, and I'm going to put it on high broil for maybe 1, maybe 2 minutes, get that extra crispiness that I love. And now for the taste test. I have dipped my avocado wedge in the ranch sauce that we just made, the dipping sauce. Ooh, hot. Oh, this is so good. The dipping sauce is super creamy, and the dill just adds that nice zing. The avocado, of course, is yummy. It's smooth. The bacon is just smoky, and putting it on that high broil for the last couple of minutes really does help crisp it up. You need these in your life, especially if you are quarantined like the rest of us. Okay, guys, you know what to do. Be sure to like, hit that subscribe button, and comment below with the kinds of recipes that you want to see on this channel. See you next Thursday. Be safe.